beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you behind the scene of how I take my product photos right here in my room. Nothing fancy, just making do with what I have, and honestly that's part of the beauty of this small business. So let's get into it. So first thing first, I've got my gear ready. I'm using my tripod, my light, and of course my camera. I also have some props. You can check the link in the description below to my Amazon store to get some of this equipment to get started. So nothing is of high end, but this get the job done for your website pictures. As I have said, I'm making the best of what I have for now until I can afford a professional photo shoot in the future. I receive it and I'm praying it for myself. Amen. So I just want to advise somebody out there, make the best of what you have. If it's your phone, take your product outside and use your phone. If you cannot afford the light, use natural lighting. You just have to use what you've got right now. It may not be perfect from the get-go, but we have to keep pushing through. If you're out here trying to create something, I just want to tell you that you don't need a fancy studio, you don't need a professional setup. All you need is your phone. If you have a camera, good. You just have to get started. Right now I'm just testing out different angles, different styles that I have in my head or I've seen somewhere. Have something that will look very professional for my website. Do not forget to check out my website out at www.darabodyworks.com. More of the images and also to shop my products. Right now I'm just taking different bunch of shots, playing with different angles, adding few props here and there, having so many pictures so I can have a lot of photos to select from or to choose from. And I will be editing it and I'll be showing you the after pictures of all the photos I have taken. And if today is your first time seeing this channel, please do not make it your last. Kindly subscribe, share, and also like it. And please do not forget to check the description below to all the links to my website and also my Amazon shop. For anybody that wants to start their own small business, I have so many resources, so many items, equipment that I personally use and I love so much, and that have made life easy for me. that will be the end of today's video. See you in my next video. Remain blessed and catch ya later. Love you all. Bye.